Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare MetaMask versus Binance. Follow along as I break down key differences in custody, security, fees, and user experience so you can confidently decide which platform fits your habits. I will cover typical fee structures, how keys are managed, common risks, and the best scenarios for each option. By the end, you will understand trade-offs and have practical next steps to test each safely. Security matters, so let's talk honestly about custody and risks. I will explain how MetaMask stores keys in your browser or hardware, and how Binance holds custody with its own infrastructure. We will look at common attack vectors, recovery options, and how two-factor or hardware wallets change the equation. This helps you weigh convenience against control and decide the safer path for your asset size and activity level. Quick recommendation: if you value convenience like when managing wallets, try these leak-proof meal prep containers for neat meals on the go and fewer spills during commutes. They make packing snacks easy and add a tiny win to busy days, which pairs well with disciplined crypto habits. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Fees and features can make or break your experience, so I will outline typical costs and capabilities. We will compare MetaMask gas payments and swap fees versus Binance trading and withdrawal charges, then review value adds like staking, margin, and fiat on-ramps. I will also highlight when lower fees matter and when feature sets justify extra cost. This helps you match platform strengths to your trading or holding strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.